Ever feel like your content just vanishes poof, into thin air, no matter how hard you try? Well, then save this video to finally turn that around and make your content the star that it deserves to be. I'm Tracy Brickman, the host of the Dark Horse Entrepreneur Podcast, where we've helped thousands transform their digital marketing strategies. With over 2 decades in the industry, I'm here to show you how to captivate and how to convert. Let's dive straight into the content marketing funnel. And for those of you who don't know what it is, it consists of 4 stages, and those stages are awareness, evaluate, purchase, and delight. Now, let me show you exactly how to make each stage work for you. Stage number 1, awareness. This is the top of the funnel, the big wide one. This is where it all begins. You want to grab attention with something eye-catching. You want to grab attention maybe by being a little provocative. Use bold questions, surprise them with facts or powerful statements that relate directly to your audience's biggest challenge, maybe their biggest pain points. For example, if you're targeting small business owners, a headline like, "Ever wonder why 90% of startups fail within the first year?" Well, that's going to grab a little attention. Now we're going to move on to the second stage, which is evaluation. Now here, they know you, but why should they trust you? This is your chance to shine, ladies and gentlemen. You want to share snippets, maybe of little customer testimonials, of showcase awards or recognitions that you've gotten in your industry, or break down complex solutions into simple, digestible infographics or TikToks, whatever it might be. Show them the behind the scenes of your product or your service, which helps you build credibility and trust and helps them evaluate you. Get it? All right. Now, into stage 3 is purchase. They're interested. So how do you close the deal? That's the big question. Highlight those unique benefits of your offering, of your product, of your service, and do that in a very strong call to action. Don't just say, "Buy now." No, you want to make it irresistible. Offer them a first-time purchase discount or exclusive bonus content. You want to create a sense of urgency, perhaps with a limited time offer they do not want to miss. And make sure it's a real limited time offer. Okay, good. Okay. Now, in stage 4 is delight. This sale, you got them past that purchase point, which is pretty tough, let's just be honest. But the sale is just the beginning. You want to keep them coming back. And to keep them coming back, you're going to exceed their expectations. You maybe send them personalized thank you videos, offer outstanding customer support, or provide unexpected surprises. Free upgrades. Who knows? Share customer success stories to show ongoing value. And let's foster a community, right? Foster that community. For example, maybe you host some live Q&A sessions where customers can discuss how your product changed their business, maybe even change their lives. Here's the thing, using these 4 steps and the little tips inside of each one of them, you'll not only draw people into the world, but you'll turn them into loyal fans who believe in your business and your brand as much, sometimes even more than you do. Remember, the content marketing funnel isn't just about selling, and it's not just about creating content. It's about creating a journey that your customers travel with you. Yeah? You with me? You like the tips? I hope you do. If you did, smash that like and that follow button for more game-changing strategies. If you got questions, drop them down in the comments below, because here's the thing, I'm here to help. And if you're perhaps ready to dive in a little deeper, go ahead and click that link in my bio for the ultimate guide to your content and your side hustle success. Think successfully and take action.